Hi everyone, welcome to V2V channel. So we already completed some quantitative and reasoning topics. So those information available at our channel playlist. And you can share these videos to the maximum number of people. It's really helpful to them. For more updates, please follow my page V2V on Telegram and Instagram. Let's go to the topic. So today we'll start with a new session which are related for arrangements. So arrangements, first one we'll go to linear arrangement. First see. If question is related for linear arrangement, first identify which facing he was sitting. Facing is the important. So we have a chance to see the persons who are sitting in a four faces. First one, they are facing in north direction, they are facing in south direction, they are facing in west direction, they are facing in east direction. Clear? So these are the four directions we have a chance to see. If the persons who are sitting in a north, for example, these are the three persons who are sitting in a north. If it is a north means I was facing a board. So this is my right side people and this is my left side people. Means we need to fix right side position and a left side position. Then see, if question is related for south facing, see these are the four persons who are facing south. If it is a south facing means I was facing like that. Then I can say that these are my left side people and the right side people. So both are interchanges. It become a left, it become a right. Okay, then see, the person who are facing in east direction. For example, this is the facing of east. The persons who are facing in east. So if I facing east means I can say that above peoples are left side people and below peoples are right side people. Same, the person who are facing in west direction. The person who are facing in west direction, above peoples are right side people, below peoples are left side people. So first of all, we need to check it out which facing the people who are sitting. Clear? And if there is a no particular term related for direction, always you just consider the persons are facing in north direction. If they are not given, you just consider all the people who are facing in north direction. This is the important point. Okay, see the first information. See if the statement A to E, there are five persons which are facing in north. So A to E, there is a five persons who are facing in north. See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And they facing north means this is the right side and this is the left side. Okay, here they given as a statement number 1. A and B are sitting each other. So one of the person at one end. So see observe the statement. See, he said that A and B both persons are sitting each other. So both are sitting each other. And he said that one of the person at the end. But we cannot sure which person sitting exactly end. So one of the person sits in end means you can go with the first possibility. If A here, definitely B. So second possibility, if B here, A be the here. So these are the two possibilities for these two corners. If you go with these one, either you can choose A here, B here. You can choose B here, you can choose A here. So there is a four possibility for this question. Okay, for example, statement number 2. A sitting right end. A sitting right end. B is immediate left of A. For example, this is the statement. See, if these statements given, see, again we have a five persons. A sitting right hand, he fixed that A can be sit right hand. He said that B is the immediate left of A. Immediate left means this is the position, I can fix it as B. If sometimes they are not mentioned immediately, he said that A sitting right hand, B is the left of A. Same 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. A is sitting right hand, B is the left of A. Left means it can be indicated any of the position. So immediate term indicated to the next position. If you are not term related for immediate, so it can be chooses any of the positions. So either B can be here, B can be here, B can be here, B can be here. So for B is left means there is a four possibilities. If A is immediate left of A means there is a only one possibility. Okay, we'll go to one more statement. See, exactly three persons between A and B. For example, same 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. These are the 5 persons. Exactly 3 persons between A and B. Means between A and B exactly we require 3 persons. Means 3 persons which are constant. And between A and B means we cannot choose the exact position. Either A can B sit here, either A or B sit here. So there is a chances. Okay? If some statement, for example, A is 4 places away from B. So A is 4 places away from B. Again see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. See, if 4 places away means exactly 4th position can sit by A and B. See 4 places away from B. I can choose B here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I can choose B here. He said that A is 4 places away. 4 places away means exactly 4th position. 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is the exact position for A. Again 1, 2, 3, 4. This is the exact position for A. For example, A is 4 places away from right of B and for example, away from right of B. Away from right of B means we can indicate it this is the correct possibility and this is wrong possibility. So read the statement carefully. Clear? If it is exactly means we require 3 persons. 4 places away means exactly 4th position the other person can be sitting there. Okay, see the first question. See 5 people PQRST in a row. So there is a 5 people. And they are not mentioned about the direction. Always consider north and you can fix the right and the left cases. He said that R sits immediate right of C. He said that R sits immediate right of T means the next position occupy with a R. So R sits immediate right of T. So you can write aside. Next, if P and Q having a 2 persons sitting between them. P and Q have a 2 persons sitting between them means see either PQ here 2 persons sitting between them. So this is the first possibility. If you go to one more possibility, see PQ can be occupied here and 2 persons between them. This is the question for P and Q. So we have a 2 possibilities. Next, 2 persons sitting between them. Then which of the following must true? So this is the only information. See, he said that R is the immediate right of T. So we require 2 position be the empty. See, 2 position be the empty. We can fix it here T and R. From the second possibility also 2 empty places T and R. So we have final have a S, either S here, S here. So out of 2 possibilities we cannot choose exact possibilities. So that is the arrangements. There is a 2 possibilities for this question. Here my question, which of the following must true? So we need to identify which one is the true condition. So question option A, P is at one end of the row. So we cannot sure here P or Q, P or Q. So this is the wrong one. Second one, Q sits besides P. He said that P and Q besides. So that is absolutely wrong. Why? Because P and Q there is a 2 persons. Option C, one among P and R at the one end of a row. P and R. So one among any of the person. So we cannot sure this is exactly P position or not. Maybe there is a chance as Q. So possibilities we cannot define answer. And S sits one of the end. So he said that one end means he not mentioned that is right hand or left hand. So there is a chance as either S be the here or S be the here. So there is a chance means in this possibility S can be sits one of the end. So I can say that this is the true condition. See the next one. 4 boxes PQRS, 3 files ABC are kept on a table. Total we have a 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And they kept on a table one after another from left to right means they are facing in north. File C has as many items as its left as its right means see if it is a C file here. So the left side items exactly equal to right side item. That is the meaning. See the file C has as many items to its left as its right means the C left side file how many are there that is exactly equal to right side file. For example, if you place C here 0 and 6. If I place C here, if I place C here we get unequal numbers. So definitely I can fix that C can be occupied center position. Then check it out. C left side we have a 3 files and right side we have a 3 files. Next one. And no box at the end. See, no boxes at the end means we can fix that there is a files from at the end, say either A or B and either B. He said that boxes P, Q, R, S are not at the end position. Next, box P is kept to the immediate right of file A. See, file A means immediate. See, The immediate right means we require this is the right position. If I place A here, we cannot choose here by the box. Why? Because there is a no immediate position. That's why you can go with a here and you can fix B here. So we get the information. Then again read the line. See, box P kept immediate right of file A. So immediate right of file A, there is a box P. We can kept it here. Next, while file C kept immediate left of box R. See, box R immediate left. See, there is a while file C is kept immediate left of box R. C is the immediate left of R. C is the immediate left of R means you can choose R here. So this is the immediate left and this is the immediate right. Next one. What is the kept third from the right end of the row on the table? So from the third right. So third right occupy with a R. So R is related to the box. So option is equal to C. So we just place a third position from right hand is equal to box R. So this is the introduction about the linear arrangement. Thank you.